Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to have two messenger apps on your Android phone. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to make that possible, we're gonna need a certain app. So go ahead and open up the Play Store, and then you're gonna have to press onto the search box and look for an app called Parallel Space. As you can see, now all we have to do is tap onto the install button and wait for it to be installed, and once it's done, you can go ahead and press onto open. As you can see, now here we are inside the app. I'm gonna go ahead and press onto agree and continue, and again I'm gonna tap onto continue down here and start giving the app the permissions it needs so it can work efficiently. So basically what this app does is allow me to clone other apps. I'm gonna tap onto the start button down here, and now since we want to have two messenger apps, I'm gonna have to select the messenger app, as you can see, and then press onto the button that says add to Parallel Space underneath. Here we have this window popping up. It says permissions. In order to improve our product, we need to collect your log when Parallel Space gets crashed. Log does not involve personal information and will never be disclosed to third parties. Do you agree? So of course I'm gonna go ahead and press onto accept. And here we have our cloned messenger app, so you can press onto it to open it up, and as you can see I can sign in normally. And surprisingly, when I go back to the home screen and open my messenger app, you can see that I'm logged into my account, which means I can use two different messenger apps at the same time. So that's it. That is how to have two messenger apps on Android. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.